Money Moments on 4.
In this morning's Money Moments segment, we have talked a lot about the effects of President Donald Trump's big, beautiful bill on your wallet specifically. One positive way the bill will impact Americans is with the tax break if you buy or bought a car this year. So we're talking about the impacts here. The tax relief will come for some Americans who decide to purchase a vehicle in 2025, but there are income limitations that narrow down who can claim it. If you buy a used car or lease, this tax break unfortunately will not impact you. Still, car buyers who have bought a new vehicle this year or are planning to do so in the next 4 years may get some tax relief when they file their 2025 tax returns. The deduction will expire in 2028, so you only have a couple years to claim this and to take advantage of this benefit. Now, the new tax cut allows new car buyers the ability to deduct up to $10,000 in qualified passenger vehicle loan interest during a given taxable year. The tax break applies to the purchase of new cars, motorcycles, sports utility vehicles, minivans, vans, and pickup trucks weighing less than 14,000 pounds. Used cars don't qualify, as I mentioned. That full break can only be claimed by single taxpayers with a modified adjusted gross income of $10,000 or less, or married couples with $200,000 or less. At the same time, the One Big Beautiful Act eliminates the federal tax credit for electric vehicles after September 30th. Now, an estimated 3.5 million new vehicle loans could be eligible for the tax break this year if purchasing patterns stay the same. All right, another story that we are following this morning happens to do with debt collection. A federal judge has blocked an attempt by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau that would have removed unpaid medical debt from the credit reports of about 15 million people. This is a lot of money and a lot of people affected. The CFPB first issued the rule in January. The judge reversed that decision, a move that could impact roughly 15 million people who carry a total of about $49 billion in medical debt on their credit reports, a burden that can influence whether lenders decide to extend loans like mortgages or auto loans. Now, according to the CFPB, 20% of Americans have at least one medical debt collection account on their credit report, while over half of the collectors on credit reports are for medical debt. Last year, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, the three national credit reporting agencies, said they were removing medical collection debt under $500 for U.S. consumers, and there's credit reports to try and help consumers. So that is one slight adjustment, but overall, this is something we are closely paying attention to. It affects so many Americans. Check for billing errors. That's one thing that you wanted to do in order to make sure that the bills you receive are accurate. You also want to follow up with your insurance provider to make sure that they are paying the right amount. Those are things that a lot of people often overlook, thinking this must be what I owe, and that they just have it correct. But a lot of times there are billing errors, so try to look at that to cut down on how much you owe. That's your Money Moment on this Wednesday morning.